Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Chinglish Studio again. My name is Xinyuan. If you are new here, I want to make some friends from on the YouTube. Whether you are from any country, I want to knowing each other here and let's have some fun. I will have one topic one day on this channel and show you how to say it in Chinese, only one word. So if you want to know about China or Chinese, you can subscribe my channel and you can click the sub on your page and click the bell. So if I upload a new video, you will know at the first time. Today, our topic is the high-speed train, which is 高铁 in Chinese. Okay, 高铁. This is a high-speed train. Tomorrow I will take the high-speed train to another city. It will cost me about 3 hours. You know the high-speed train. Do you know the speed of the high-speed train? It is about 350 kilometers per hour, which is 218 miles per hour. For example, if you the distance from Beijing to Shanghai is 1,066 kilometers. So if you travel by airplane, you will see you will spend 1.5 hours on the airplane, and you need to 1 hour on the subway from your house to the airport, and another 1 hour from the airport to Shanghai, whichever you go to. So altogether it's 3.5 hours, and on the road you can't do anything because you have to change from subway to the plane, and to the plane to the subway. But if you take the high-speed way, it will cost only 4 hours, and all the 4 hours you are on the train, you can write an email and you can make a phone call, anything you want, because the seat is bigger than the seat on the plane, and the facility is convenient. So when we travel when we travel shorter than 1,000 kilometers, we all take the high-speed train. Now, 10 years ago, if we travel from Beijing to Shanghai, we need to spend 1 hour, one night. You get on the train at evening, and you sleep all night. At the morning you will get to Shanghai. But now, if you leave at the morning, you can have lunch at Shanghai. The high-speed train is wonderful. I don't know what's it like in your country, the train. Do you like to try the high-speed way in China? Please let me know. And at the end of the video, it's always 高铁, and most important click the sub and click the bell. Okay, bye.